In the previous lesson, we have completed the product deletion process. In this lesson, we are going to add a product gallery template so that the user can add images to their product gallery anytime. Let's get back to the editor and figure out how we will do that. Let's go to our urls.py file, and here we will register a new path. So here we have added a new path to dashboard/product/integer id/gallery. That will trigger the method product gallery. Now let's save this file and open our views.py file. And here we will add our new method. This product gallery method will handle two types of requests, post and get. When it will get a post request, then in that case, it will save the form into the database and redirect the user to a new page. And for the get request, it will just display the empty form with available gallery images. So here inside the product gallery, we are first fetching the product from the database by using the ID provided. And then after that, we are saving all the gallery images available for that specific product into the variable gallery. And after that, we are handling the post request. And here the first thing we need to do is pass the post request into the gallery form. We have not created this form yet. So let's go to our forms.py file and create this form now. So here we have created a new class gallery form, and that's a part of model form. And here we have passed the model name gallery and fields. This contains just a single field, and that is image. And we need to change few things. So here for the field image, we have set it to forms.image field, and we have passed some widget values. The attributes that we have passed inside the file input is multiple to true and class form control. We want this form input to be a multiple form input so that we can upload multiple images in the same time. Now we need to import the model gallery Now let's save this and get back to our views. And now here we will pass the request post. So here, the first thing we are doing is checking if the form is valid or not, and if the form is valid, then we are getting the list of files by using the getList method, and we are saving all the images supplied by the user into the variable called files. So here, what we are doing after getting all the files is looping through all the file, and we are creating a new gallery object by passing the image as f and product as product, which we have fetched here. And after that, we are calling the save method to save the gallery item into the database. And finally, when that is done, we are creating a flash message with saying product gallery updated, and after that, we are redirecting the user to the product gallery. Now, if the form is not valid, then in that case, we will just render a template. So here we have passed the product, form, and gallery. Now let's handle the get part. And for this render also, we are passing everything: product, gallery, and form. Now the last thing, we need to import gallery form. Now let's save our views.py file, and we need to create a new template called gallery inside product folder. This template will also extend the layout file app.html. Now let's add the basic markup here. Now we need to handle flash messages here, so let's copy that from the products.html file. Now after this, we need to add the form to handle file uploads. So here inside the form, we have added a CSRF token, loaded crispy forms tags, and finally forms crispy and the submit button. You need to make sure that you have added the ENC type to multi-part form data, as we are going to upload images from this form. Now after the form, we need to loop through all the gallery items . So here inside the card, we have added a card image top image with the source image.image.url. So this way it will return the specific image URL. And inside the card body, we are going to add a form which will add the delete button so that the user should be able to delete a specific image from the product gallery. We will talk about that in the next lesson, but for now let's try this out. But before that, we need to update the gallery link. So let's go to the products.html file, and here we need to change this href value. Now let's save this and get back to the browser. Now let's try this link. And here it is showing template does not exist. And if you follow this one, you can see that we have not added .html at the end of gallery. Line 176. So let's get back to the editor. Go to views.py file Let's go to the line 176. Here it is. And we also missed one thing, and that is we need to import the model gallery. Now let's save and get back. Oops, and we missed end block too. So we need to get back again. So here we are getting our product gallery template. Now let's try to add few files. So we have selected total 4 files. Now let's click on add to gallery. And all the product gallery is updated. Here we are getting 4 boxes, but the images are not being displayed because we have not added the media root or media URL yet. But if you visit it from the source, then you will see the URL media/products/ the file name.jpg. So this is how we can add product gallery and handle multiple file uploads.